The Good Cook One Pot formula makes it easy to take ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen and whip up a delicious dinner. Today, we're going to show you how to use that formula to make an absolutely delicious creamy one-pot Tuscan chicken. I am telling you, our family makes this like once a week because we cannot get enough of it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's using ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Okay, one pot pasta for dinner tonight because everybody has been craving carbs, and this one is splendid. If you have been craving going out to a restaurant and you want that like high-end, super quality, delicious food where all of the flavors come together, this recipe is insanely simple, but it literally tastes like a gourmet chef made it for you. So let's get started. We're gonna start by adding a little olive oil to our pan, and then we're gonna add 1.5 pounds of diced chicken. Add a little salt and pepper and brown this over medium-high heat. All right, now to add a little extra boost of flavor, we're going to put some fresh garlic right inside of that pan. And the way that we're gonna do this is to really finely mince it. Now, if you've ever minced garlic with a knife, it gets all over your hands. It takes forever to mince it, but good news, the Good Cook Garlic Rock and Roll makes it super easy to make finely chopped minced garlic that goes right into every single dish without even touching it with your fingers. We're gonna start by peeling some garlic, and once those cloves are peeled, we'll just pile them together on a cutting board and press the Good Cook Rock and Roll right on top. And then, just like it says, start rocking. And once chopped, you just pick up the edges and tap it upside down into your pan. All right, we're just gonna brown that for about 1 minute more until the garlic becomes aromatic. Believe it or not, that is the hardest part of this recipe, and we are more than halfway done. Now it's just a matter of tossing everything into a pot, covering it and letting it boil, and dinner is done. So let's add the rest of the ingredients. Sun-dried tomatoes, heavy cream, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of grated Parmesan, and some fettuccine noodles. Cover and cook. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, turn it down to a medium simmer, right around medium low, and then just stir it every 2 or 3 minutes to make sure the noodles don't stick together, and then we're basically finished. So perfectly creamy. I love these one-pot pastas because you normally have to work hard to create a really great cream sauce, but when you follow this formula, you get perfectly creamy pasta and the sauce ready to go all in one step. It's brilliant. We're going to toss just a little bit of spinach in here for some color and added vegetables. Just stir that in, and we're gonna return it to the heat for another minute or so until the spinach wilts, and then we're ready to serve. I love the flavors of this pasta. They're classic enough for those of you who are picky eaters, and just gourmet enough for those of you who like to go out to eat. All right, let's go for it. Pasta is perfect. I love that it all cooked together in a single pot because dishes are gonna be easy, but for now, wanna give it a try? Get the recipe at goodcook.com.